Deepavali. It is a festival of lights, and we celebrate it with joy, having feast, and lighten up our houses with lots of diyas and candles. It is the time when the whole family is in one place celebrating and enjoying. It is also the time for activities that we do together as a family, be it decorating, cooking, shopping, or crafting. And today I am sharing a short video clip in making of my Diwali crafts. So if you are wondering how to decorate your house this Diwali, then look no further. Here in Polly's world, very soon you will get some stunning and amazing DIY ideas for Diwali decorations. So stay tuned with Polly's world, keep loving and sharing, and I will see you soon with some beautiful DIY Diwali craft ideas.